Found myself stranded in visions of your mysterious stare, beautiful hair. I can't quite explain it, the way you've transformed, left me in awe of you. You changed the world that
Some things were just meant to be. Ika nga ng isang anghel.
transformed everything.
Wala siguro talagang makakapag-akala na darating tayo rito. Noong una tayo nagtagpo, 4 years ago. Pero wala talagang imposible sa itinadhana, itinakda, at itinaglaban.
Symphony. Never in my life have I been more sure. Nobody's made me feel this way.
Mixed emotion siya eh. Masaya. Sobrang masaya ngayon. Hindi mo na talaga alam kung ano yung nangyari. Nag-go with the flow ka na lang talaga.
Kanina, chill lang ako. Ngayon, kabado na ako.
Nariyan ako lagi para hintayin ang mga desisyon mo, kung anong gusto mong kulang, kung saan tayo kakain, kung saan tayo pupunta. Yayayain at sasamahan kita habang buhay sa lahat ng sulok ng mundo. Sa kalawakan man yan, basta sagot mo ang gastos. Dahil sa 1,000,000 alinlangan, ikaw lang palagi ang katiyak.
You're everything I wanted. You were the sun in my skies. You were the days in my nights, baby. You're everything I wanted. You were the sun in my skies. You were the days in my nights, baby. You're everything I wanted. You are the reason I smile. The words in my world, baby. You're everything I wanted.
Thank you. Thank you. I am so grateful and blessed na ikaw yung asawa ko at ikaw ang tatay ni Gon. Thank you for being a good provider, a responsible partner, and a great father to me. Wala akong worries for the future kasi ikaw lang yung asawa ko.
Ang daming pinagawa. Talagang binuhos ang effort para makuha yung oo. Grabe.
Salamat. Salamat sa napakahabang pasensyang inibigay mo sa akin. Salamat sa pagyakap sa mga kakulangan ko. At salamat sa laging pagpili sa akin. Asahan mo lagi rin kitang pipiliin at yayakapin sa kabila ng mga kamalian at kakulangan mo.
The truth is, love is when you see the worst in a person and yet you still want to give your best for that person. Kaya nga, it is when you see the worst in that person and yet you still decide, no, I'm not gonna leave that person. Maybe that is his worst, but still, I want to give him my best. That's love.
Malayo na tayo at malayo pa ang kaya nating marating. Hindi magiging madali, pero magiging magaan. Dahil tayo ang magkasama. Sa tulong at patnubay na, alam kong malalagpasan natin ang lahat ng ito ng magkasama. Kasama at kasangga mo ako sa lahat ng dapat. Mahal kita at laging pipiliin ang mahal kita.
Salamat, Panginoon, dahil sinagot mo ang panalangin ko. Kung pwede lang, taon-taon, kitang pakasalan. Gawin na lang nating araw-araw. Mahal, minamahal, at mamahalin kita pala. Mahal kita sa parang hindi na kayang ilahad ng mga salita. Sayong sayo, Jairus.
You may now please.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a round of applause to our newly wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Aguilera.